Hey YouTube, if you've ever heard a weird beeping in your house and thought, is that the smoke alarm or is my toaster just mad again? This video is for you. Today, we're diving into the Kidde carbon monoxide detector, a compact, portable lifesaver that's got your back when it comes to invisible threats. Stick around to find out why this little device is making noise, literally, and on Amazon, and why it deserves a spot in every home, apartment, and suitcase. Let's get into it. Kidde carbon monoxide detector beeping. It might just be saving your life. And your vacation pancakes. Let's face it, when most people hear a sudden beep, beep, beep in their home, they either think the microwave's mad again or their smoke detector is throwing a tantrum. But when it's the Kidde carbon monoxide detector beeping, it's not just making noise, it's potentially saving your life, with flare and LEDs, no less. Why do you need this? Because breathing is kinda important. Carbon monoxide, CO, is like that shady character in crime movies, odorless, invisible, and silently lurking. It can build up in your home from gas appliances or heaters and go undetected, unless you have the Kidde carbon monoxide detector on the case. This tiny superhero runs on 2 batteries, included, of course, because Kidde knows you'll forget to buy them, and doesn't need any wiring. Just stick it on a wall, toss it on a table, or pack it in your suitcase for a paranoid yet stylish vacation companion. Features that don't suck, literally. Electrochemical sensor technology. Basically, it's the Sherlock Holmes of sensors. 85 decibel alarm, louder than your mom asking why you never call. Green LED. Chill vibes only. Power is good. Life is good. Red LED plus beeping. Get out now. CO has entered the chat. Test reset button, because button mashing is a form of stress relief. Low battery indicator. No surprise chirps at 3 a.m., unless you ignore them, in which case, sorry. What makes it better than the rest? Let's compare, shall we? Most carbon monoxide alarms either A, look like a boring plastic brick, B, need a power outlet, or C, act like they're working but fail when you need them most. Kinda like Chad from high school. But the Kidde CO5 LP, it works during power outages like a champ. Fits in the palm of your hand. Perfect for travel. Has a battery lockout system so you can't accidentally forget to install the batteries. Is UL certified with a 10-year warranty. That's longer than most relationships these days. Bonus use cases. Impress your in-laws with your adulting skills. Make your Airbnb safer and sound like a hero in reviews. Mute your guilt about using that 15-year-old space heater bottom line. Just buy the dang thing. Whether you're protecting your home, your loved ones, or your Airbnb rating, the Kidde carbon monoxide detector beeping is the noise you want to hear when something's wrong. It's small, loud, smart, and inexpensive, unlike your ex. So go ahead, add it to your cart. Your lungs will thank you. Your guests will thank you. Your mom will probably thank you too. She's big on safety. So there you have it. Whether you're at home, on vacation, or trying to impress your in-laws with your safety game, the Kidde carbon monoxide detector is the must-have gadget you didn't know you needed, but now can't live without. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more honest and funny reviews, and don't forget to drop a comment below if you've ever been woken up by mysterious beeping in the middle of the night.